Acme Concrete Raising and Repair services residential, commercial, and municipal properties. Using its Smart Lift system, Acme Concrete provides the ultimate and affordable solution for settled concrete. Do you have a settled concrete patio that is pitching water toward the foundation when it rains? Perhaps you have sections of a pool deck that's sunk, resulting in dangerous trip hazards. Acme Concrete can easily lift patios and pool decks without damage to lawns, fences, or landscaping. Has your driveway settled? Did it drop at the garage entrance, causing a large bump when you drive in or out? Acme Concrete raises driveways and garage floors without any inconvenient delays. Their advanced system allows you to drive on concrete immediately following the repair process. Have you looked at your sidewalks? Tilted or sunken sidewalks can cause trip hazards, which may result in injury. Dropped concrete at entryways can create a tall front step, making access difficult. Acme Concrete solves sidewalk problems quickly and effectively. They also resolve drainage issues that occur when walkway sections tilt or drop. Acme Concrete raises sunken porches, steps, and stoops. By lifting your settled concrete, Acme Concrete will restore proper grade and pitch. Their non-invasive process quickly returns your concrete back to its original position, eliminating safety issues and restoring curb appeal to your home or business. All this for a fraction of the time and cost of replacement. Acme Concrete and its Smart Lift system can raise and support just about any concrete flatwork that is settled. Their repair process will provide ground stabilization, void filling, and crack and joint sealing. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair is a full-service concrete raising and stabilization company, serving residential, commercial, and municipal customers throughout Chicago's northern and western suburbs. Call today to schedule an appointment. Fast, reliable, and affordable. Acme Concrete.